How to fix yes download shortcut not working or keep crashing after a few days of installation on your iPhone. If you are having this issue on your shortcut, then this video is for you. To solve this, first of all, what you need to do is open your shortcuts application and then delete the yes download shortcut at first. So go through your shortcut application. Now on the top you will see an option of select, hit on that. Now select the yes download shortcut and then from the bottom right corner hit on the delete to delete this shortcut. Now go through any browser you have in your device and then search for theme point. From here go through the website and then download the yes download again. Whenever you have any issue on any shortcut, then the first option you can do is simply delete the shortcut and reinstall it. Whenever you reinstall it, your issue will be solved. So once you download it, all of your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.